Okay, I will take it. For the sake of this being on Tosh.0 someday. How does that make you feel?
Horrible. Horrible. Again! Let's do it again.
I'm filming this straight through so that everybody knows that you did it twice in a row.
Oh, dude, I got it.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
You need a new cigarette. That's what I thought. That was horrible. You want to try it on the skateboard next time? Can I dive 100 times farther?
What do you mean?
I pushed it out. Can I dive way farther?
No, what you need to do is leave it.
Do it now so that everyone, hey, do it before you smoke a cig. And I'll give you another one. That way, hey, I'll film it straight through so everyone will know that you did it twice in a row.
Monster, bro.
No, dude, you did it twice in a row.
No, I'm gonna dive like a monster right now.
It'll be fucking epic, dude. Dude, dive like a monster.
This right here.
No, hold up, hey.
Come on, dive like a monster, bro.
See, but no, I gotta film it straight through. So it's uncut. But you gotta do it like now because my thing will only go so long.
There's fucking shit. Oh my god.
Dude, do it!
Oh my god.
Baby, you gotta move!
No, we had the whole crew.
This is gonna be better. Watch it. He said he pussied out and didn't jump far enough before. This is gonna be so bad.
That was face fucking first. Dude, get Rutherford.
Is it okay? Are you good, dude?
No. Seriously? No, I'm hurt. I got your face.